In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip a video in Canva step by step. Whether you want to mirror your footage, correct camera orientation, or create a specific visual effect, flipping a video in Canva only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process, from uploading your video to exporting the final result. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Canva tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing project where you want to edit your video. You can choose any format you like, such as a YouTube video canvas, Instagram reel, presentation, or custom dimensions. Once your blank canvas is ready, the first step is to upload your video file. To do that, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Uploads. Then click on Upload Files and select the video from your computer. Canva will begin uploading it to your project. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your video appear inside the Uploads panel. Now drag your video from the Upload section directly onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners if needed so it fits perfectly within your design. At this point, the video will play normally in its original orientation. Next, click directly on the video on your canvas to select it. This is important because when the video is selected, the top editing toolbar becomes visible. If you don't see the toolbar options, make sure the video element itself is highlighted. Once the video is selected, look at the top toolbar. You'll see options like crop, edit, and more. Find and click on the option labeled flip. This is where the magic happens. After clicking flip, you'll see two different options. The first option is flip horizontal. This will mirror your video from left to right. It's perfect if your footage looks reversed. For example, if text appears backward or if you recorded with a front-facing camera and want a mirrored effect corrected. The second option is flip vertical. This flips the video upside down. This option is useful if your footage was recorded in the wrong orientation, or if you want to create a creative upside-down effect. Simply click on the option you need, either flip horizontal or flip vertical, and Canva will instantly apply the change to your video. There's no rendering delay inside the editor, so you can preview the result immediately. If you change your mind, you can just click the flip option again to adjust it, or use the undo button at the top of the screen to revert the change. Canva makes it very easy to experiment without permanently affecting your original file. Once you're happy with the flipped video, you can continue editing your project. You can add text, transitions, music, effects, or any other elements Canva offers. The flip adjustment will stay applied to the video throughout your design. When you're completely finished, click on Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Choose your preferred video format, usually MP4 for most platforms, and click Download again. Canva will process your design and export the flipped video ready for uploading anywhere you need. And that's it. That's exactly how to flip a video in Canva quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where the flip option is located. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.